Hey there! If you use a credit card, and who doesn't, there's a good chance you're losing money without even realizing it. Today, I'm breaking down 8 common credit card mistakes that quietly drain hundreds of dollars every year. Stick around till the end, because a few of these are ones even financially savvy people miss. Let's start with the big one, paying only the minimum balance. It feels harmless, right? But that's exactly how credit card companies make money. If you owe $1,000 at 20% interest and only pay the minimum each month, it could take over 5 years to pay it off. So even if you can't clear the full balance, pay a little extra, $25 or $50 more makes a real difference. A single late payment can cost you up to $35 in fees, and worse, it can trigger a higher interest rate. Miss one payment and your credit score can drop overnight. Set up autopay for at least the minimum amount, so you never get caught off guard again. Here's a sneaky one, using too much of your available credit. It's called your credit utilization ratio, and lenders want to see it below 30%. If your limit is $5,000, try to keep your balance under $1,500. Go higher and your score could dip even if you pay on time every month. The cashback trap. We've all been there, spending a little extra just to earn a few points. But that 2% cashback card isn't a win if you're overspending by 20%. Rewards only help when you'd make the purchase anyway. Most people never look closely at their credit card statements. Big mistake. One wrong charge or small subscription you forgot about can quietly pile up. Fraud and billing errors are more common than you think, so make it a habit to scan your statement each month. Here's something most people get wrong. Your purchases are only interest-free if you pay your balance in full. Once you carry a balance, your new purchases start collecting interest immediately. That's why carrying a balance just for 1 month can end up costing you way more than expected. If you've ever pulled cash from your credit card, you know it's expensive, but maybe not how expensive. Cash advances start charging interest right away, often at rates over 25%, plus a 3 to 5% fee. So that quick $100 at the ATM could cost you $10 or more in fees and interest. Ouch! Finally, don't rush to close old credit cards, even if you don't use them much. Older accounts help your credit score by lengthening your credit history. Instead, keep them active with a small recurring charge like a streaming service and pay it off monthly. So, to recap, pay more than the minimum, never miss a due date, watch your utilization, and skip the cash advances. These small habits can easily save you hundreds every year and keep your credit score strong. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more simple money tips that actually make sense. See you in the next one.